welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this beautiful look. So I was out shopping yesterday at Walmart and I was coming across all of the back to school things and I was just like, wait, I totally haven't done a back to school series in a couple of years and I should totally do it this year because I haven't done it in so long. If you guys remember, hashtag back to school with K and hashtag it with back to school with K. Yeah. Today I really wanted to do a pretty makeup tutorial because when I was in high school I really wanted to look like those pretty girls. I really wanted the smooth skin, the blush that looks the right way, you know. We didn't do highlight back then. Highlight wasn't a thing, okay? Eyebrows weren't a thing, but now it is. So I really wanted to come up with this really pretty makeup tutorial that is very simple too to get. It's not difficult at all. Before I get into today's video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the Kayla family and also hit that like button because you know you're already gonna like it. You know you are, okay? So just do it, okay? Just do it.
Do it!
Comment down below on when you go back to school because I might want to do one more video. Not sure, maybe like a little giveaway or something. Let's get into today's video. For brows today, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I have not gotten my eyebrows waxed in a hot minute, so they do look a little cray-cray, okay? Next, I'm going to be priming my face with my Milani Prime Shield Mattifying Primer. I'm actually not going to be starting off with a foundation today, but I'm going to be taking my concealer, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is in the shade 370 Biscuit. I'm using this concealer as a correcting concealer, not a highlighting, so I'm placing this in all the areas where I have dark spots or any blemishes that I want to cover up. I'm going to let it sit for a minute so it really stays on the face. Then I'm just going to be blending it with my beauty sponge from e.l.f. For foundation, I'm taking two today because one is a little too dark for me, but I really love the finish, and the other one might be a little too light, so I just want to mix the two to get the perfect match. So I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear Foundation in the shade 500 Honey Bisque, and I'm also taking my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 320, and this is Natural Tan. Both of these are amazing. This is $5, this is $15, so if you want to go for a more budgeted look, I would say definitely go for the Maybelline Fit Me because it is amazing, lasts all day. They have a mattifying and a dewy finish, so you can get either or based off of whatever skin type you have. For concealer today, I'm taking my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. This is the perfect highlighting concealer for me to get rid of the dark circles and brighten up those under eyes and give me a great celebrity brightened look. Then I'm also going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation in the shade F18, and this is going to be my contouring shade. I'm starting off by blending out the contour shade first. You can honestly skip the nose contour, however, I feel like my face looks very flat. Plus, because of the times that we're living in right now, I know a lot of people are doing online classes and some people don't have to attend their class at the exact time you have to be there. Therefore, you can take as much time as you want to do some contouring. But honestly, the more you practice, the faster it gets. So this is just something I would definitely practice because you'll get a lot faster at doing this. Next, I'm going to blend out my highlighting concealer and take whatever's left over from that onto my eyelids. Next, I'm going to set everything into place with my Morphe Translucent Setting Powder and also my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade 30 Deep. I want to retest this out today because somebody was asking me questions about it. However, if I wasn't using this today, I would totally use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade 10. If you don't have time to bake, you can definitely skip this step and just lightly dust your face with some powder. Again, the Maybelline Fit Me powder is amazing, so I would definitely check that out. Plus, it's inexpensive. I just stabbed myself trying to open a fucking package. Does anybody else remember these NYX Jumbo eye pencils? And every single beauty guru would use the shade Milk, and I would use it and I'd be like, why doesn't my colors come out as great as theirs did? And yeah, later on I learned more and more about primers and stuff like that and bases, but I missed this, and when I saw it I was like, let's bring this back, okay? So I'm taking my NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the shade Sparkle Nude. It's super simple. I'm just going to apply this all over my eyes. Next, I'm going to take my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette in the shade The Nudes, and I'm taking this middle bottom shade right here. I'm just applying that over, lightly dabbing that. Then I'm going to deepen the crease with this darker brown shade. If you guys are wondering, I am using my Morphe M562 brush. I absolutely love Morphe brushes. They're really inexpensive and they get the job done a lot better than some other inexpensive brushes that I use. So I would definitely check them out if you haven't already. I'm going to take a little bit of eyeliner, and this is the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm going to just wing the outer ends of my eye. Just do like a small wing. Let me go ahead and wipe away the bake. Next, I'm curling my lashes and applying some mascara. For bronzer, I'm taking my Physicians Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep. I'm going to be applying blush on the higher points of my cheeks. Then I'm going to apply some highlighter. Lastly, I'm applying some Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner, then topping it off with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. Then I'm just setting everything with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below on what day you go back to school. Are you in school or have you already been in school? How are you doing this virtually? Because I've heard some people are actually physically going back to school, whereas my area is not physically going to school yet. We're still doing online. Well, I'm not in school right now, but like people that I know are in school. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you would like to see more videos like this one, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the K-Babe family, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.